here the people are going absolutely crazy and mad because of course I'm with none other than the most wanted man, Mr. Salman Khan. Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
6 years in CCL. How does it feel?
It's amazing. I'm here every year. It's our team, Sohail's team. We have a great time here. Today we're not having such a good time yet, but I hope it turns around. And I believe that the best man should win, the best team should win. So I don't have any favorites. Our team, if they suck, then they should not win. But do play well, then we deserve a shot.
How do you think CCL has grown over the years?
The guys have, our players, our actors have gone really serious about cricket, and they're competing with each other in the team, as well as they're trying to get their best out, and everyone is trying their best to be in the team, and then they're competing with all the other actors, from all the different teams. So it's become it's been like a real sport now. It's not like a sort of actor and everyone is playing, everyone's giving their best. They become sportsmen on the field now. So that's what's interesting, and that's the reason why it's picking up, and that's the reason why there's so many people also coming to watch CCL now.
Okay, when do we get to see you playing? Sorry.
What?
When do we get to see you playing?
Every year I think that I'll play, and then these guys play much better, so I don't fit in the team.
Is there any other sport apart from cricket that you really like?
I mean, all the sports that I've played cricket, and I've swam, and I played pretty much just about everything. Used to, not anymore. But the only thing I'd like to do is act on screen right now.
Oh, nice. We all love to see you acting on screen. Now, if I give you an option, if you can actually get some international Hollywood stars to play in CCL, who will they be?
I don't know. That depends on how good they are at cricket, and our coaches will decide that.
Oh, so are you ready to do something like that?
No.
If an opportunity arises?
I think it's to do with, if they have to come in, then they have to come in with their own team, under the umbrella of CCL. So we have Hindi, we have Telugu, we have Tamil, we have Bengal, we have Punjab, we have Bhojpuri, and why not in English as well?
Okay, what about the actresses? Our actresses every year come and support the teams. Why don't they play?
Because I don't think they play as well as as a fact. If they did, well, definitely. And then, yeah, actually, they should do girls, ladies cricket team as well.
That'd be nice because you do have a coach, and I'm sure a lot of girls are very enthusiastic about playing.
I don't think about cricket though. No.
Okay, now who's your favorite player in your team? The best cricketer?
We have a lot of them. We have today Ritesh. Ritesh is the best we have. It was unfortunate that he got out today. But then we have Aftab is there. We have Apu, and we have what's his name? Saqib. No.
Bobby.
How can I forget his name? Anyway, we lots of them in our team.
Are they feeling the pressure right now?
I'm feeling the pressure 100%. and they're getting out because of the pressure, actually. They play really well. But I think they underestimated the Bengal team. And that was, in the night they were having a conversation, we'll beat them and stuff like that. And in my mind, I was like, whenever I've thought something like this, thought that we are so overconfident, it's always gone wrong. So I was laughing at it yesterday. And then today, I asked Ritesh, I said, was this the team that everyone was talking about, that, is like a weak team? Because they did really well for a weak team. They did 180. Let's see what we do. I think right now, with the way it looks, our team is weak now.
I'm sure Preeti has been hooting a lot for your team. It's her birthday tomorrow, and she's asked Mumbai Heroes to actually win. So I think the guys are going to do something.
What?
It's Preeti's birthday tomorrow, and she's asked the team to actually do well. So I think the boys are now going to gear up.
No, yeah, we were asking her what she wanted to do, and she said first win. That's the winning here or losing here does not have anything to do with your birthday. It's not connected at all. It's connected to the CCL team, but not with us. So that's a different subject altogether. That her birthday will make sure it's fun for her.
Okay. If you go into semi-finals, which is the team that Mumbai Heroes would like to play in semi-finals?
I think for them right now, it will be. I think Kannada is a team that they always, yeah. So I think that would be the team. Yeah.
When I'd spoken to the Bhojpuri team, they said that Bhojpuri wants to defeat the Mumbai Heroes. So the Bhojpuri Heroes want to.
Everyone wants to defeat the Mumbai Heroes, and some of them are even managing to do that.
So the Bengal team seems to be having the luck today.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to give out a message to all your fans here who are watching you here in the stadium and on TV.
Love you guys. Thank you for all the support, love and respect, and God bless you all. Be safe, be safe. Do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your mother, man.
That was the line that we were waiting for. Thank you very much, and back to you guys.